My name is Bastiaensen. I'm an ICT teacher in secondary education in Flanders, Belgium. I'm also the Flemish Future Classroom Lab ambassador, in which I help out teachers in Belgium with their ICT projects. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to talk to you about some alternatives to practical learning in no, low, or high-tech scenarios. In a low-tech scenario, it might be interesting if you could introduce on-the-job learning. That doesn't take a lot of technology from the school to use, and it would enable the pupils to really practice their skills while working in a company. In our school, a few pupils who are in the carpentry education during the COVID lockdown started to work in a furniture company where they helped out building and creating furniture. In some colleges in Flanders, nursing students and nursing learners also helped out in hospitals and other medical practices in order to assist the doctors in trying to tackle the entire COVID problem. Learners had the possibility to really practice their skills in real life situations, working with all the high-tech equipment that was necessary to treat patients. One of the things that I did as a teacher was flipping the classroom entirely. In regular flipping the classroom scenarios, pupils go at home and do the theoretical stuff using books or videos at home, and when they're back in the classroom, they can work on assignments, exercises, and I'm there as more as a coach, helping them out in their learning process and providing the technical knowledge where needed. Also, the exercises, assignments had to be made at home. So that made it a bit more difficult to use that flipping the classroom methodology. Still, we managed to use this methodology where during offline sessions, pupils could choose when to do it in their own time. They went through the courseware, they went through the theoretical part of the things they had to learn. And during online time, they could work on assignments and they could chat me on WhatsApp, or we could do a short call on Microsoft Teams to help them out with questions that they have at that moment. Learners also had to provide me feedback on how they performed. And based on the input I got from their own evaluation, I could make the final evaluation of the assignment they made. From a distance, I would like to say goodbye to you all and hope to speak to you all again in real life after the COVID breakdowns.